Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to make unboxing video without showing face. Here are the steps to make unboxing video without showing face using your iPhone. First, prepare your unboxing area. Choose a clean table with good lighting and simple background. Use your iPhone's rear camera. Rear camera gives the best video quality for product shots. Set video quality. Go to Settings, Camera, Record Video, and select 1080p or 4K at 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Clean your camera lens. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for crisp and clear footage. Set up overhead or angled shots. Use a tripod, phone stand, or stack books to film top or down or hands on the angles that hide your face. Turn on grid lines. Go to Settings, Camera, Grid to help keep your shot perfectly centered. Arrange your items neatly. Place the box, accessories, and tools like scissors or cutter in order before recording. Here's the image for the reference video for the neat and organized tools. Check your lighting. Use natural light from a window or a ring light to brighten your unboxing area. Turn on airplane mode. Avoid interruptions from calls or notifications while recording. Start recording hands-only footage. Film your hands opening the box slowly, showing each item clearly and smoothly. Capture close-up shots. Film details like texture, labels, ports, or accessories for a more professional look. Record extra B-roll clips. Shoot shots like the box spinning, product on the table, unwrapped accessories, or packaging details. Edit your video. Use CapCut, iMovie, or VN to trim clips, add music, add text labels, adjust brightness, and apply smooth transitions. Add text or voiceover. Explain features using on-screen text or record a voiceover if you prefer audio narration while staying faceless. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.